We are now going to expand our depth-first traversal method so that it can be ran in pre-order as well as in order. The pre-order version of this method will still touch every node, but instead of touching the left node first, then the parent node, then the right node, we will touch the parent node first, then go down the left branch, then go down the right branch. This order can be useful if you ever want to make a copy of a tree. To accomplish this functionality, we are simply going to add one more line of code to our method. We will add a new top line to our method that will say, if the order passed in equals pre-order, then we want to run the iterator function on this dot value. And that is it. Okay, so what does this mean? Well, very simply, this means if we want to run this method in pre-order, we have to pass in pre-order as the order parameter. Then inside this code block, only 3 lines will run. We will hit this first line, and since the order passed in does equal pre-order, we will run the iterator function on this node's value. Then we will move on to the next line. In this line we say, if there is a left child node, run our depth-first traversal method on this left child node, passing in both the iterator function and the order as parameters. That is important. If we forget to pass the order in as a parameter too now, our method will not function correctly. Then we get to the next line and skip it because the order is not in order. And finally, we get to the last line, and if there is a right child node, we will run our depth-first traversal method on that node, passing in our iterator function and the order as parameters. And that is it. As you can see, our depth-first traversal method in pre-order will hit all of the nodes in the correct order. It will first hit our parent node, then it will go down the left branch, then it will go down the right branch, just as we want it to. Perfect. Let's test our depth-first traversal method in pre-order in the next video.